Hi guys, what's up? Jessica Kabasi here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a photo shoot here in Seoul, South Korea. I'm really excited because it's my first time shooting here. I don't really shoot when I travel like this, and I thought, you know what, since I'm here anyways, let me just squeeze in a couple of shoots. I'm not familiar with this area. I've only been out here like 2 times. So I'm going to show you guys how I just literally walk around and transform any little portion of a street or maybe a store and make it into something really cool for a photo shoot location. So let's go.
Before we begin, a quick message from our sponsors. This video was brought to you by Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or an online store, make your next move with Squarespace. Squarespace has an all-in-one platform that is super easy to use, customizable with tons of award-winning designer templates, and offers 24-hour customer service support. So whether you're a photographer like me that needs a portfolio site, or you have a small business, they have something for everyone. You can start your free trial today by going to squarespace.com/Jessica. Use offer code Jessica for 10% off your first purchase. Now, let's get back to the video.
Maybe have like one arm kind of like this. Like lady together. And then bring your leg in together. Take juice, Kelly. There's dogs over there. You know what?
Cats always show up in your photo shoots, I swear.
Have your arms hand down. Where is it? Oh wait, how are you gonna get down from there? How did it get up there?
Yeah. Trying to like make an appearance in these photos anyway.
This cat is really trying to get in this video. I mean, he keeps following us everywhere, like it's right up there. He really wants to make it. We'll tag you on Instagram. Just send us the info. He's so adorable.
He's such a calm cat. He's great. Play a game.
I know, right?
Which one's in focus?
Which one's the focus? Let's play a game. Which photo's in
Game
focus?
of my life.
Let's take 200 pictures and see which one's
Game of my career.
Yep, there. Yeah, it's beautiful. Even, how about you're sitting facing me again, and then your legs down here, and then facing me, and you just kind of like do like this. Yeah, yeah, just like that. And turn a little bit here, turn towards me. And then facing me, just like really like slumpy board. And walk, let's walk. Have you walk towards me? And listen this way. Can you do that one more time, right here? I want you to be looking like over there, okay? No, walk. Oh, you're just kind of like this. You're just kind of like that. You're just like bored. Hold on! It's this spot right here.
Oh my
Like, hold up the skirt a little, like do your mess. Make it messy. Yeah, hold it. You're not making a mistake. Great job. Beautiful. Bring that arm. Yeah, there you go.
Am I in the shot? Am I in the shot?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Beautiful. Great job. Good job. Okay. This is like a real life boomerang. So that's the end of the photo shoot. I really hope you guys like the pictures. What did you think about the poses that I had you do today?
Like, they're very stylish and fashionable. You're a really good stylist, actually.
Thank you.
An amazing photographer.
Thank you so much. What pose was your favorite? What area was your favorite?
Like, when you asked me to sit like everywhere and try to pose some really weird poses, but it's amazing. I like it.
Thank you. You like the outfits?
Yeah, this is my favorite one. Like,
Really?
it's so
Thank
shiny,
you.
and it's so lucky that it's raining outside, so it makes me so bright because the contrast, everything is so dark and I'm so shiny.
Yeah, that's why I got it. I wanted it to stand out a
Wow,
little bit
I love
more.
it.
So definitely want to say a huge thank you to Serena for coming and doing this.
Thank you, Jessica.
You made me feel so good. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're really boosting my confidence today, let me tell you that. We shot pretty much in the streets of Seoul. This is Hongdae.
Hongdae, yes.
Hongdae, and I honestly didn't even go to the main street. We were in the back streets, and we took pictures with a cat. We took pictures with walls.
The cats.
The cat.
They're so cute.
And then we took pictures just anywhere. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the pictures and enjoyed this video. Let us know what you guys think of everything, and we'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, let's